Hey, to quickly update drivers of your GeForce 2060, all you have to do is just to open your browser. Then you have to open this official nvidia.com website and go into the drivers. So it's actually in the right upper corner. When you open it, you can find this NVIDIA driver downloads. So first of all, we can find the product type. In my case, that's the GeForce. Next, we've got the product series. So for sure, we have to switch into the GeForce RTX 20 series. But if you are using a laptop, you will have to get the notebooks version. So just remember this one. Then pick the product. And for the GeForce RTX 2060, we've got two versions, normal and the super. So pick this one that you have in your PC. Then select your operating system. Pick the download type. So we've got the game ready driver and the studio driver. In the most cases, you will actually get this one, the first one, the game ready driver. And if you don't know what is going on with the studio driver, just click on this icon with the leftmost button, and here we can find the short description. Next, pick the language and click on the search. From here, you can find the latest version, the release date, operating system, language, and file size. Next, click download button. And right now, select this green download button one more time. From here, you can open the downloads location. And when it will be downloaded, all you have to do is just to click on this 2 times and follow on-screen instructions. Accept everything that will pop on your screen and basically install your drivers. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.